Kawasaki Motorcycles Best First Motorcycle for Beginners. The world of motorcycling is a realm of adventure, freedom, and self-discovery that calls out to enthusiasts of all levels. For beginners, selecting the right first motorcycle is a pivotal decision that sets the tone for their journey ahead. Kawasaki motorcycles, renowned for their innovation, performance, and rider-friendly attributes, emerge as an exceptional choice for novice riders. With a diverse range of models offering accessible power, modern design, and beginner-focused features, Kawasaki motorcycles provide an ideal platform for beginners to embark on a journey of skill development, excitement, and exploration. Innovation and performance. Kawasaki's commitment to innovation is evident in their motorcycles' engineering and performance. From entry-level models to advanced options, each Kawasaki motorcycle is designed with a balance of power and control. Novice riders benefit from a progressive power delivery that allows them to experience the thrill of riding without overwhelming them. Versatile design and modern aesthetics. Kawasaki motorcycles boast modern and eye-catching designs that resonate with riders of all generations. From sporty styling to sleek cruisers, Kawasaki offers a diverse lineup that includes something for every taste. Novice riders not only embrace the excitement of riding but also connect with the brand's contemporary spirit. Comfort and ergonomics. Kawasaki places a strong emphasis on rider comfort by incorporating ergonomic designs into their motorcycles. Novice riders can expect well-positioned handlebars, comfortable seats, and foot pegs that contribute to a comfortable riding experience, whether on short city rides or long-distance journeys. Responsive handling and control. Kawasaki motorcycles are celebrated for their responsive handling and rider-friendly maneuverability, making them suitable for riders with varying levels of experience. Novices benefit from lightweight chassis and intuitive controls that instill confidence as they navigate diverse road conditions. Safety features and learning confidence. Safety is paramount, especially for beginners. Many Kawasaki models are equipped with features like ABS, anti-lock braking system, to enhance braking control and stability. These safety features provide beginners with added confidence as they refine their riding skills. Diverse riding experiences. Kawasaki offers a wide range of motorcycles tailored to different riding styles. From sport bikes to cruisers, adventure bikes to standard models, beginners can choose a Kawasaki motorcycle that aligns with their preferences and aspirations. Community and rider connection. The Kawasaki brand boasts a passionate community of riders that welcomes beginners with open arms. Becoming part of this community offers novices access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for the road and Kawasaki motorcycles. Skill growth and riding mastery. Kawasaki motorcycles encourage skill development as beginners build confidence. Riders can gradually explore the capabilities of their chosen model, honing their riding techniques and immersing themselves in the world of motorcycling. Long-term riding satisfaction. Kawasaki motorcycles aren't merely introductory choices, they grow with riders as they progress from novices to seasoned motorcyclists. The brand's dedication to quality, performance, and rider satisfaction ensures that riders can continue to enjoy their Kawasaki motorcycles for years to come. Conclusion. Kawasaki motorcycles stand as a testament to the brand's commitment to providing beginners with an accessible and thrilling introduction to the world of motorcycling. With their innovative design, versatile performance, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, Kawasaki motorcycles offer an immersive gateway to the joy of riding. By choosing a Kawasaki motorcycle as their first ride, novice riders set out on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the camaraderie of a community that shares their passion for innovation, performance, and the exhilaration of conquering the open road on two wheels.